right, let's take it from the top.
I'm George Takei, and I love to spank the monkey.
George, could you read that line one more time, please?
Which one?
The spank the monkey.
I'm George Takei, and I love to spank the monkey.
Can you do it a different way, like, I'm George Takei, and I love to spank the monkey?
I'm George Takei, and I love to spank the monkey.
So, George, you can do this any way you want to, okay? I mean, I didn't mean to sabotage the session.
Are you serious? Sabotage? Who says sabotage? No one says sabotage. The word is sabotage. Who says sabotage? There's only one person that says sabotage. And I know who that is.